Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, pearls have been out for a long time. Since like 2012, 2013, people have been utilizing our dip pearls with Plasti Dip. And there are hundreds, thousands of different ways that you can combine them, stack them, use them. But the number one thing that we've always told people never to do is to put a dark pearl over a lighter base. You've heard me say it a million times. You can put a lighter pearl over a darker base, but if you put a dark pearl over a base that's lighter than the pearl, it's just gonna look like dirt. And what are we doing today? We're putting a dark pearl over a lighter base. Right here is the S4, and it has a yellow Plasti Dip base on it. And the pearl that we're putting over the yellow is olive blueberry, and the powder is clearly darker than yellow. So why are we doing this? Well, lots of people ask, okay, I know I shouldn't do it, but is there any way to pull it off? Is there anything that you can do? Because I really want to put this pearl over this base. So, you know what I always say, we fail so you don't have to. I don't know if I've ever actually said that before, but it's a good tagline. I'm going to start using it. What we're going to do is give ourselves the one shot that I can possibly think of to make this work, which is going to be a super low pigment load, 5 grams per gallon of olive blueberry over yellow. Is it just going to look like dirty yellow, or are we somehow going to get an olive blueberry effect over it? There's only one way to find out. Wish us luck. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, here is the deal. We are now 2 coats into the olive blueberry over yellow base project, and already it's starting to do what we were afraid it was going to do. Now, from back here, it looks like we perfectly mimicked the Velveeta shells and cheese color. And if you're into a color like that, it may seem like a win. But when you get up close, it's a problem. It does look like yellow with dark particles of dust or dirt over the yellow, and it's just not the look that anybody's going for. Now, you might have thought we were going into this knowing it was going to fail, but that's not necessarily true. We really thought there was a chance that with a light enough pigment load, we may be able to get a color shifting effect over the yellow base. And if that worked, we wanted to expose that as an option so you guys can use it, because lots of people want to use bright colors like this as a color shifting base. So we have options right now. We can either let it go as it is, show you guys that we failed and move on, or we can try to fix it. So what Gabe and I are thinking is we reset the base to a yellow base and we use one of the pearls that we know is going to work. We do it the right way. You can really use any of the interference style color shifting pearls over bright bases and they work great. So the one that we picked for this is the Europa color shift from KP. It is I don't know what it shifts to, but it's an interference-based color shift. So we're going to reset back to yellow and drop this on top. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we are finally done with the car, and it came out very interesting. Now, what have we learned today? Well, if you want to use a bright colored base coat underneath a color shifting pearl, like a white base coat, fresh mint, yellow, or even electric lime green, you can do it. But I strongly suggest staying away from the color shift pearls that are a colored powder and lean much more on the interference style color shift pearls, which are a white base powder. That seems to be the best way to get it done. It's much more user friendly, and it does give you a very unique finish. Now, you're going to get more of a subtle effect, subtle color shifting effect using this combination, but it does look really cool in its own right. Now, if you want to dip your own car, it's very simple. Click right up here. It'll bring you to all of our car kits. We have tons of colors to choose from, and a lot of them are very user-friendly. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Call us during business hours. We'd love to talk to you guys about all the different projects that you're working on, or you can chat with us directly on the website and get a very fast answer to your question there. We're going to go outside, check out the end result, leave me a comment in the section below, and let me know how you think this one came out. Thank you guys so much for watching and taking the time to subscribe to our channel as well. It's Fonzie. I will see you guys on the next video.